Troubleshooting failed upgrade to Windows 7. I've upgraded 3 PCs from Vista to Windows 7 without incident, but the fourth one is a bit of a problem. The Windows 7 install fails and rolls back to Vista with. The upgrade was not successful. Your previous version of Windows is being restored. The Windows 7 Upgrade Advisor, both on disk and the downloadable one from the Microsoft website, shows no potential problems for this PC prior to the upgrade, just standard warnings about iTunes reactivation and so forth. This is my second attempt at upgrading this PC to Win 7. After the first failure and rollback, I uninstalled a ton of unused software from the PC via add, remove programs, but the second attempt ended up the same as the first. I really don't want to have to do a clean install on this PC, so are there any post-install logs or anything I can investigate to see why Win 7 is failing to upgrade this PC from Vista, and to fix it? Based on one of the suggestions, I checked this path. C:\\windows.bt /sources/setup_error.log, which contained this line. Setup Genf driver store location failed for C:\windows/inf/OEM28.inf single quote left bracket GLE =0x00000490 right bracket. I checked that OEM28.inf file and it relates to a printer on that computer, so I went ahead and removed the printer and deleted the printer driver. Right-click within the printers folder. Select Server Printer. Select Drivers tab, click Driver, click Remove. Confirm. As documented here. Now I'll try the upgrade again. No dice. Still rolls back, but the printer error is gone from the log. Some relevant lines from the setup_error.log file. I finally tried uninstalling all drivers from this PC, all it had were the NVIDIA drivers really, and attempted to do a third upgrade. Same problem. I watched it this time, so I know exactly what happened. It got very, very far into the upgrade, after the video drivers are installed and so forth, then blue screened at boot with driver_irkl_not_less_or_or_equal at the final stage and rolled back to Vista again. I assume that was the same thing that was happening before. Oh well, I guess I have no choice but to do a clean install. Sad face.
Might be some useful logs files you can see. Then I found the file $windows-bt/sources/setup_act.o had some useful info. Details here.
Many times, the errors present in setup_error.log/setupact.log may be a red herring. Even upgrades that complete successfully include such errors. What frequently happens in these upgrades that automatically roll back to the original OS is that some out-of-box device driver is blue screening the system when it boots into the new OS for the first time. In such cases, there may be a dump file left behind after the upgrade rolls back. See number 36402 for more details.
Open up Runbox and open Config. Click on Services tab and hide Microsoft Services. Disable all the services on the list. Same thing with all startup items. Open CMD with elevated privileges. Type net user administrator password and press enter. It will say command completed successfully. Type net user administrator /active yes and press enter. Again it will say command completed successfully. Restart the computer and then log in under the administrator account with the password as password. Start the Windows 7 upgrade again, this time it will finish. I have tried it on 4 computers with the same problem that would not install Windows 7 upgrade from Vista SP2.
The log files you're looking for may be the same as the Windows Vista setup log file locations. C'est $windows.bt/source/pointer/setuper.log c'est $windows.bt/source/pointer/setupact.log. Edit. With the errors coming up in the update you gave, I'd consider uninstalling all the third-party drivers you've installed. Don't delete the driver files themselves. If the problem persists, I'd personally go ahead with the clean install.
Perhaps you could unregister %winter%system32 /drmmgrtn.dll and then try again? It seems to have to do with DRM migration, not really printer related.